Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to receive money via PayPal. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred browser on your Android phone and go to the official PayPal website at paypal.com. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, you will be able to see your PayPal balance and transaction on the home page. Next, if someone sends you money, you will receive a notification via email and within your PayPal account. To check the payment, simply tap on the Activity tab at the top of your screen, where you will find a list of all recent transactions. From here, you can review the details of the payment and confirm it by checking your home screen as well. If you'd like to use the funds, you can simply make purchases online or send the money to someone else through PayPal. And that's it. Now you know how to receive money via PayPal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.